Now, before we get into the content, I want to show you the certificate of me getting funded. This is what they give you when you pass phase 2 of their challenges. This was given to me about a month ago. So I also want to show you my results of trading the live account over the last 30 days. I did a video recently going over my first 20 days with the live account. Now that I'm 1 day away from being able to take my first payout, because you have to trade the live account with them for 30 days before you can take the payout, I figured why not give you guys a quick update here. So this is on FX Blue. This site works really well to track your data. As you can see, my $100,000 account is up about 3.1%. You can see it is a real account, last updated today. My win percentage is up from my last video to 65%, and my average winner is up to 132, getting closer to making my average winner bigger than my average loser. My average loser here at about 137, just $5 bigger than my average winner. So very, very small. And because I'm winning 6.5 out of 10 trades, as you can see, that leads to profitable returns. Very, very proud of my peak drawdown too. Less than 1%, only 0.6%. So now that you see I am funded with my Forex funds, I have been able to pass both phases. That puts me in a small percentage of traders, and I think this is a good place for us to start this conversation. Most people that take these challenges will fail. So as I continue to trade well, and the other traders in the small percentage of people that are like me continue to trade well, we are going to get paid out with money from people who have failed the challenges. Now, some people have a moral line with that where they say, well, is this really trading if you're getting paid out with the profits from someone else failing? I think it's very similar to trading in that when you're trading your own capital in the market, you're technically taking money from somebody else, whether it's the market maker, whether it's the banks that you're trading with, whether it's another individual. Those are semantics. But either way, whether you're using one of these funding companies or if you're trading your own capital, someone's losing money in order for you to gain. Where that money comes from, if you want to have your gripe with it and kind of stay on the sideline, that's on you.